Hello, this is Rachel from Geopath, and welcome to the first video in the Measurement Fundamentals series. Today we'll be talking about the universe. The term universe is used often when discussing measurement. It's important to understand not only the meaning of the term, but how it will affect the reported measurement. Simply said, the universe is the population of the group measured and is based on two components, the demographic profile and the geographic area. Let's break these two components down. Geography is the media market from where the advertiser sources their business and can be identified through standard media markets, like designated market area or core-based statistical area. The definitions can be seen here. There is also the ability to evaluate customized breaks such as individual counties, zip codes, and even census block. As shown on the map, market size varies by definition. Fulton County, where Atlanta is located and shaded in dark green, is much smaller compared to the CBSA, which is smaller than the DMA. While CBSA is typically our default geography, some advertisers may want to evaluate their out-of-home based on the DMA to compare out-of-home to TV or for other sales measurement reasons. The key is that we need to select from what geographic area the advertiser wants to source their customers. Selecting the geography that advertisers want to evaluate out-of-home against is critical as each area has a different population base. In the chart here, you see the difference between the adult 18+ population of the Atlanta DMA and CBSA. Additionally, note that the market size has an impact on the campaign delivery, as shown by the 63% reach for the DMA and the higher reach for the smaller CBSA. Target audience includes demographics and psychographics. For now, we're going to focus on demographics. Advertisers need to target specific consumers who want and buy their products. To answer that need, all our metrics can be reported against a variety of demographic audience segments based on age, gender, household income, and ethnicity. These segments can be combined for more complex targets, such as females 18 to 34, with household income $50,000 plus. The screen shows a demographic profile of Fulton County. It denotes the median age, income breaks, and other demographic data about those people that live in Fulton. Remember that if we expand the geography to the CBSA or DMA, we would get a different profile. The size of the universe will vary by combination of demo profiles and by the geography selected. In the chart, each column reflects a demographic and geographic combination. The adult 18+ population varies from a DMA at 5.2 million versus the CBSA at 4.4 million. There's also a difference within the DMA when you compare the adults 18+ to adults 18 to 49. This is logical, but we need to understand these relationships so we recognize what the numbers tell us. Things to remember. All metrics must be against a universe as defined by geography and demographics. This allows us to compare and evaluate metrics. A defined universe sets the stage for our reported measurement and responds to the basic advertiser need of identifying their customers. It's important to note that advertisers may want to look at campaign delivery against multiple universes. Thanks for listening. We hope this video was informative. If you have any questions or need clarification, please reach out to geekout@geopath.org.